Okay, I'm over here in Co-op City, Section 1 on a beautiful Saturday. Co-op City. People are out. There's lots of activities going on. And this is one of the reasons that I really love my neighborhood, my community. I mean, it's so peaceful. The people are friendly. And there's a lot going on. So let's take a walk.
Co-op City Boulevard, Bronx 10475. Music, food, fireworks, Saturday, September 3rd.
Wow, look at all the vendors. An amazing bunch of vendors out here. Hats, bed sheets, children's clothing, jewelry. Wow, this is amazing. This is awesome that we have this available to us. Really good.
Yeah,
They have something planned for tonight?
yeah, 7. Yeah, it's gonna be like R&B, I guess.
R&B tonight, 7 o'clock?
Yeah,
Okay.
and after that, fireworks.
Oh, fireworks as well?
Cross street, yeah.
Oh, wow, I didn't even hear that. And I live right up the street.
Or whatever, whoever to come over.
Okay. That's amazing, man. But you guys do a really great job. Yes. What's the name of your company?
River Bay.
River Bay. Okay. River Bay, yes.
7.
All right.
Fireworks at 9:30.
Fireworks at 9:30?
Yeah, right cross street.
Okay. I'll be here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, all the people to come over.
Will do.
Well, over here at 7. And then after that, fireworks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.